Have you ever wondered how big tech companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix release new features so fast without breaking things? The secret is DevOps. But what exactly is DevOps? Today in this video we will learn what is DevOps. Let's break it down in simple terms. DevOps is a combination of two words, development, dev, and operations, ops. It's a culture, a mindset, and a set of practices that help teams work together more efficiently to deliver software faster, with fewer errors. Now exactly why do we need DevOps? Before DevOps, developers and IT operations worked separately. Developers would write code and throw it over the wall to operations, who then had to figure out how to deploy it. This led to delays, errors, and frustration. Now let's talk about the key principles of DevOps. DevOps is built on a few key principles that make software development smoother and faster. 1. Collaboration. In this, developers and operations work as one team. 2. Automation. Here repetitive tasks like testing and deployment are automated. 3. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. This principle makes software updates happen faster and more reliably. 4. Monitoring and feedback. Real-time tracking helps detect and fix issues early. 5. Security. DevSecOps. Security is integrated at every stage of a DevOps journey. Now let's do a deeper dive and know, how does DevOps work? DevOps follows a cycle that keeps everything running smoothly. Here are the 8 key stages of the DevOps lifecycle. 1. Plan. At this stage engineers set goals and plan the software roadmap. At this stage, engineers decide what to do and what not to do. 2. Develop. Here they write and store code in repositories like GitHub or GitLab. 3. Build. At this stage engineers compile and package the code. 4. Test. At the 4th stage engineers runs the automated tests, check for bugs and issues. 5. Release. At this stage the software is packaged and prepared for deployment. 6. Deploy. At 6th stage applications go live using tools like Kubernetes or Ansible. 7. Operate. Now comes the operation part. At this stage IT teams ensure smooth operation in production. 9. Monitor. This is the last stage of a whole software development process. At this stage engineers track performance and analyze logs for issues. I think you have learned enough in this introductory DevOps tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let us know in the comments, what do you like to see in an upcoming videos. See you in the next tutorial.